A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Question. You are one of them people there with turn back, or you are one of them people there we are all and strong and press through. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you know, click the subscribe button yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on. Right, yes, so. Today, I'm going to read from the letter to the Hebrew them, chapter 10, from verse 19 to verse 39. So, my brother and sister, like how we free to go in at the holiest place, sake of Jesus' blood, cause in go sacrifice him body, we come in like a the curtain we put up in a God house, we cover the place where God there. And the sacrifice, him go sacrifice him body. That open up one new way for we. One way we give life. One way we lead to God. Plus, we have one priest. We are one of the biggest one ever. And him rule over God's house. So, sake of all of them sitting there, come, make we draw close to God and not afraid. But make we go to him and really trust him with all our hearts. Because Jesus' blood done clean with heart. So we conscience free and we body done wash in a clean water too. Make we hold on strong and go and believe so we'll get the sitting them where God say I will give we. And that we tell the world, say we believe. So make we hold on upon that and not start think sitting else. And God promise we. And whatever him promise fi do, him a go do. Fi true. And make we think about how we can go and push with one another. Fi show love. And fi do the good sitting them. Make we go and meet together and keep church. Not top. Like where some people are do. Instead of that, make we come together and talk. So we one another heart can get stronger. Was like how the Lord soon come back. Make we do them sitting there more and more. No. Because if we make up in mind, say we're going to go and sin galang, after we don't know what true, no more sacrifice not there. If we take away sin, you know. But no left for we do than for wait and afraid of God's judgment will come. Plus the wicked fire we might take burn up the people them we fight against him. If somebody did broke the law where God did give Moses, and 2 or 3 somebody say them see him or she a broke the law, them would have killed that somebody there. And they not sorry for them neither. So, how much worse God for punish somebody we trample up pan him boy pitney and we treat Jesus' blood like say cheap? When it use for set up the new plan where God make. And it use for take away the same somebody they sin. How much worse him or she fi get punished when them talk against the Holy Spirit? We show we want kind of love where we not deserve. Eh? How much worse? Cause we know who say, and me are the one we are going to punish people for the wickedness where them do. And me are going to pay them back for all the bad sitting them where them do. And when next time him say, the Lord will judge him people them. And one nice sitting fi drop in at the hand for the God where I live and him punish you. You know. Anybody with that happen to fi catch them afraid. But you fi remember in the past when you did just understand God way. The sufferation when you did have to go through. But you hold on and go through same way. Some of the time them did beat you up and treat you bad in front of everybody. When I know that go on, I join up with the people them with them treat so. And turn side of them in a feed them trial and tribulation. Cause for real, una all sorry for the people them where them throw in a prison. And when them can take where una sit them, una make them go along with them. And all a smile say the way. Cause una know say una own things were much better than them sitting there. And when you own, I go last forever. So, nobody give up. Go on hold tight. Cause sake of that, you know I go get some blessing there. You know have to hold on and press through for do what God want to do. And so, get the sitting them when promise for you know. Cause tutus, the one where come I go reach, him now go lay. And my people them, we do the right sitting them. I go live, cause them believe in me. And if them go turn back, me now go happy with them at all. But we are not none of them people there. We turn back and end up. I get lost, mash up, and then sitting there. No, sir. We are one of them people there. We trust in a God. And so, He must save we soul. A God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.